everyone, welcome back! The response to my first Pocket Robot video was amazing, so today I want to do another live trading session, a real live. If you haven't tried it yet, this video is for you. All the links in the pinned comment. Let's go! First, we open the settings and choose our preferred trading partners. If you need help with the setup, check out my previous video, where I explain everything step by step there. Now the bot scans the market and suggests several trading pairs. I'll pick this one. Next I choose my starting trade amount. The bot analyzes the market using multiple technical indicators and AI, then automatically executes trades based on its strategy. Let's do the first trade. First is minus. Nice. First is win. Another one. And another profit. Let's launch another session. Just with one click, we'll launch another session. Let him analyze the market again. Let's choose the amount. We're going with higher risk. $10. All the amount. I personally prefer using this bot from my phone because I can trade anywhere, at home, on the beach, while traveling, or even after the gym, in the bed. Well, okay, let's finish the session. As you can see, 2 in plus, 1 in minus, second in minus, and now by Martingale, we pick the, yes, another minus. Okay, and now the biggest one, and boom, 44. Yeah, what can I say? You need to have enough budget for Martingale, at least 5 steps. That's how this bot working, okay? Well, just choose the amount what you really can afford. $1 is okay, demo account is okay, 3, 5. I'll pick now the $10 again. Let's do another chance. The bot automatically increases position size according to the strategy and continues the session. As you can see, we start from the loss, but on the second trade or second step, we have profit. And another profit. Another win. $10 minus $23 in plus. No, now it's minus. Yeah. I'm actually using it at the same time on my phone and on my computer right now, and also checking the real Pocket Option account, because you can synchronize it, you can see how the bot trade on your Pocket Option account. Because the thing is that this bot just analyze the market and make automatically trades. It's not touching your money actually. This is safe. Well, let's trade anyway for $10. No, let's trade for 20. Expiration time is 5 seconds. Well, $3+ in the row. Yes, haha, 54 and 6 USD. What can I say? The profit is amazing for less than 5 minutes. I can do it all day, to be honest. You can do it as well. It's summer coming and summer here, and you need time to chill. You need time to spend it with your family. So this bot is the amazing instrument to make the profit while you doing something else. Well, guys, incredible instrument, right? If you want to try Pocket Robot yourself, all the links in the pinned comment. Leave your comments and let me know what you'd like me to test next. I'm doing for you. Maybe trading from some crazy location. How about that? Yes, just leave the comments, put the likes, and don't forget to subscribe, join my Telegram community, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!